Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to block any camera app from using in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the camera application. So right now you can see I can use my camera application right now. So in order to block any camera app from using, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Camera Locker. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Just click on this permission required, click on OK. Just enable this Camera Locker option. Move back, once again click on it, permission required. Click on OK, click on allow. Once again click on it, permission required. Click on OK, click on allow. Now click on this off button. You can see we have turned it on. You can just minimize it. And now let us try to open any camera application. So let me try to open this camera application. So you can see here, our pop-up message back camera was used detected. So let me try again. So you can see I'm unable to use any camera application. So this application will gonna work with any third-party camera application also. And if you want to unblock it again, just open the same application again, turn it off, you can minimize it. Now if I click on this camera application, now I can reuse my camera application. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily block any camera app from using in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.